Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make pecan praline at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of pecans, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Don't forget to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This will be crucial for cooling our delicious pralines later on. Now, let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your granulated sugar, brown sugar, milk, and butter. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugars are fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Use a candy thermometer to monitor the temperature. We're aiming for exactly 235 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the softball stage. Once your mixture hits 235 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. This is a critical step. Quickly stir in your 1 cup of pecans and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue stirring vigorously and constantly. You'll notice the mixture will start to thicken and become cloudy, losing its glossy appearance. This process usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes of continuous stirring. Finally, it's time to form our pralines. Working quickly, drop spoonfuls of the warm praline mixture onto your prepared parchment paper. Don't worry too much about perfect shapes. Rustic is charming. The mixture will set up quite rapidly, so speed is key here. Let your beautiful pralines cool completely on the parchment paper for at least 30 minutes. Once firm, they are ready to enjoy as a delightful homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.